How to download and install Google Play Store apps on laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for Google Play Store. Click on this first website or you can just type play.google.com and you will land in this interface. After that, select Windows. Then you will see several apps that are available for your Windows version. Then simply select the app. Then tap on Install on Windows. After clicking on Install on Windows, you will see this is now ready to be downloaded. You just have to tap on the downloaded file and it will install into your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.